Welcome back. Today we'll see the CasaOS install in Ubuntu or Debian server in Proxmox. Install script is a curl command which can be obtained from the CasaOS website, which is from Icewell. It's a free open source software that can be used for minimal configuration Dockerized containers. Install script is running now. It's a quick install, takes about 2.5 to 3 minutes. It extracts several packages. And at parts during install, it might take a while, but try being patient and it will eventually complete. Now it installing the dependencies for the release. Install is now completed. It gives an IP address where it installed a static IP, which can be used to log into CasaOS and then configure the hard disk and